Perfect.
So first of all, I would like to thank Sushila ji who introduced me to this divine Healy device that actually transformed a lot things in my life. So सबसे पहले I would like to start when I thought of buying this device when my husband he was detected with dengue. So he was hospitalized for 8 days. And in between, it happened to meet with Sushila ji and she told me about all this device. And also, उन्होंने distance healing किया था. I was like, कि नहीं आप distance healing करो, कुछ समझ आया, कुछ फर्क दिखेगा तो I will buy it. And that's where I thought of कि नहीं फर्क तो लग रहा है. And as soon as like डेंगू की वजह से उनका platelets बहुत ही कम हो गया था. It went till 8,000. And even after 3 transfusion, platelets rise नहीं हो रहे थे. And that's where when I met again with Sushila ji, I called up कि ऐसा ऐसा case है. She started giving the healing, distance healing. एंड देन थोड़ा थोड़ा फर्क आया ट्रांसफ्यूजन के बाद स्टीरॉइड्स देना पड़ा एंड ऑल दैट हैड हैपेंड फिर घर पे आने के बाद वी हैड टू मॉनिटर द प्लेटलेट्स टू राइज सो एवरी वीक देयर वाज अ टेस्ट सो फर्स्ट टेस्ट जब घर पे आने के बाद हुआ ऑल द पैरामीटर्स ऑफ लाइक कोलेस्ट्रॉल लीवर एंड ऑल एवरीथिंग वाज like boosted high. So it was again a worry, and that's where I thought of taking this because my family, my husband, my family members are more important than what मैं पैसे के बारे में सोचूं. Better I will think about this because anyways मैं वो हॉस्पिटल में 2 लाख रुपया तो हो ही गया था. So ठीक है, that was the first thing I thought about my family. And also I had a like my husband and family, they have a history of paralytic attacks. Each and every one in my family, whether it's dad, his sister, bua, everything, everybody had got that. So that was again a worry for me. And that's where I thought ki chalo main ye leti hu, at least I can prevent that for my family. And this is where, and thank you so much Sushila ji for introducing me. And again बहुत सारी छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं, but I would like to mention 3-4 items, I mean 3-4 things which is really changed. So when I talk about my husband, he's at all India level post पे big four firm में करते हैं. Everybody knows that थोड़ा stress level तो होता ही है. So I know as soon as I get to know कि he's stressed and all, I फटाफट जाके मैं back flower का कर देती हूँ आधे घंटे के लिए and he's all fine. So it's a very good thing for me. और because I think कि जो mental stress की वजह से ही अपने बाकी organ of our body damages. So this is the first point, we should always prevent doing it. So this was the thing. The second, I will be very crisp because there are so many lot of things I can share. So my brother, he used to be like, COVID के बाद उसको anxiety बहुत हुआ करती थी. So I used that back floor also. And now he's very much transformed. He started with his into his positive thoughts. So he's very a transformation मुझे दिख रहा है उसमें. The next I would talk about one of my brother, which I'm doing the distance healing. He had a lot of challenges in his business, and due to that he had a sleepless nights since 3 to 4 months. So I could not see that. He was my own brother, and that's the reason I thought I will do it for him. And you won't believe it. Just in a month, I had seen the changes that he started sleeping properly at nights, and also the business challenges which he had are sorting out. धीरे धीरे gradually it is coming down, and he has got a lot of new ideas where he is pitching his new businesses, and that is दिख रहा है सामने कि ये सक्सेस होने जा रहा है. And he started telling me कि नहीं दिख रहा है मेरे को changes and all. So I would like to really thank this for the Healy device which has come in my life.